Okay, welcome guys. So in this video, let's solve this integration. So it's dx divided by x cubed plus 1. Okay, so I think this one is very tedious in the calculus. So I want to make a video recording the step-by-step of how to solve this. Okay, so let's recall the general idea. So the general idea is that if you have a polynomial x in the real variable, and the key idea to solving 1 divided by p of x is that we need to write 1 divided by p of x as a linear, 1 over linear. So it's ax plus b, and or 1 over quadratic. So sum over quadratic, which the denominator should be some linear, let's say cx plus d. And this is quadratic, so it's ex plus fx plus g, that kind of form. And then you can, so now once you do the integration, both sides, then you can easily solve these two, right? Once you have the capability to solve the 1 over linear, then you should have a capability to solve the linear over quadratic. Okay, and then we know that any polynomial in the real variable can always be written as this, because the so-called irreducible polynomial in the real variable x can at most second degree, at most quadratic. Okay. Yeah, so this is just an algebra fact that very abstract. So now, but we can use this idea to solve this 1 over x cubed plus 1. Okay, so now let's solve it. Okay, so our goal should be, I know that the x cubed plus 1 can be written as x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. So I want to write 1 over x cubed plus 1 equals to x plus 1 with some unknown coefficient a, and x squared plus minus x plus 1 cx plus d. Okay, so our goal is first to find a, c, d, right? So should be easier, should be very easy. Okay, so now let's do the expansion. So we get 1 equals to ax squared minus x, a times x squared minus x plus 1 times cx plus d, x plus 1. Okay, so we can do an expansion. We get ax squared minus ax plus 1 plus cx squared plus cx plus dx plus d. So which is a plus c x squared plus x minus a plus c plus d plus 1 plus d. 1, also a plus d. Okay, so from here we know that a plus c is 0, minus a plus c plus d is 0, and a plus d is 1. Okay, so easy calculation will show a is 1/3, c is negative 1/3, and the d is 2 divided by 3. Okay, 2/3. Let's see. Yeah, correct. Okay. Okay, so now everything should be easier, right? Since we already have the factorization. So we got that 1 over x cubed plus 1 equals 1/3. 1 divided by x plus 1 plus minus my negative 1/3 x plus 2/3 x squared minus x plus 1. Okay, so we have these two. Okay, and this part integration is easy, so let's just forget about this. Let's do this. Okay, so now the problem is that one can write this as a negative 1/3 or 1/3, right? Minus x plus 2, x squared minus x plus 1. So if you do the differentiation with respect to x, you get 2x minus 1 on the denominator, right? So ideally, you hope to write this as something 2x minus 1 plus something, right? Okay. So this is our key. So our key, so second step is that you need to write this minus x plus 2 equals to something 2x minus 1 times plus something. Okay, so just forget about this 1/3. So let's see. So we need to write this. Right? I will write this and pull out a factor. So I can write as a negative half 2x minus 1. So it's 2 half, right, times plus plus. So this is 2. So it's 3 divided by 2. Okay. So one can write this as a 1/3 1 over x plus 1 plus 1/3 times 2x minus 1 x squared minus 1 plus 1 plus 1/3 3 divided by 2 1 over x squared minus x plus 1. Okay, so we have this factorization. Okay. Okay. So now okay, so now let's do the final results. So times dx, 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 and then do the integration. Right, so left-hand side will equals to this one. So this one is very easy, just 3/2 ln x plus 1, right? This is trivial. And also this one is negative 1 divided by 6. So this is 2x minus 1, right? So it's differentiation as this. So you can write it dx squared minus 1 plus 1, x squared minus 1 plus 1, and that's x squared minus x plus 1, x squared minus x plus 1, right? So this term plus this term, we may need to find a way to calculate, right? But should be easy. Okay. Okay, so this the first term preserved, and the second term will be minus 1 over 6 ln the x squared minus x plus 1 plus half 1 dx x squared minus x plus 1. So this is x. So this is the final part we hope to calculate. Okay, so let's do the final calculation. So final calculation should be dx x squared minus 1 x squared minus x plus 1 dx, right? So we need to calculate this. Okay, so this should be easy, right? So let's just write it as x minus 3 divided by 2. Right, sorry, just make a perfect square. So it's square dx, right? And that's simple. Just let x equals a half plus a square root of 3 divided by 2 tangent theta, right? So put it, you get 2 divided by square root 3 square second square, and then your dx will be square root of 3 second square. Okay, so these two term cancel, you get 2 divided by square root of 3 arctangent. So you need to go back to x, right? So it should be x minus a half divided by square root of 3 times divided by 2. Okay, so you can put it back. So finally, final answer, 1 divided by 3 log x plus 1 minus 1 over 6 log x squared minus x plus 1 plus, so these two and these two can cancel, so you get 1 divided by square root of 3 arctangent 2x minus 1 plus divided by square root of 3 plus c. Okay, yeah, so this is a step-by-step calculation of this. Yeah, this is very lengthy, and next time we will fight with this one, so which is also very terribly very lengthy. Yeah, but it's not difficult, just tad tedious, and hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel. See you guys in a future video.